Welcome to TypeFlow, professional typing assessments for recruiters. Let's create your first test in under a minute. Check your email to verify, then log in to reach your dashboard. Click Create Test to get started. Fill in the essentials. Give your test a title, select an industry category like customer service or medical, choose difficulty and duration. I'll set 60 seconds. Enable pass criteria and set your requirements, 50 WPM with 95% accuracy. Click Invite to send an email invitation with the test link directly to your candidates. You can also copy the link if you prefer to share it manually. After you send the invitation, the candidate will receive an email with the test link. Candidates just click the link in their email and start typing. Candidates enter their name and email, then start the typing test. The test displays the text they need to type, and as they type, they see real-time WPM and accuracy updates. Once they finish, results appear instantly with their final WPM, accuracy percentage, and pass/fail status based on your criteria. Back in your dashboard, view all candidate results with WPM, accuracy, and pass/fail status. Click any candidate for detailed analytics. That's it! Create tests in seconds, share instantly, and get results immediately. TypeFlow offers flexible plans. Start free with 1 test and 3 test takers, or upgrade to Starter at $19, Professional at $49, or Enterprise at $99 for more tests and features. Visit typeflowtest.com to get started. No credit card required.